who's in that consortium? Let's have a look. Royal Dutch Air Force, German Air Force,
You get a lot of Norwegian C-130s.
and the inbound Dutch Royal Air Force aircraft. In fact, I'm going to go to the board mode now as well, folks, so we'll go in it. Let's have that control. I would say that this, or maybe, but industry travel, personified by Corrigan Airways on the way out to Dallamang.
It's a little private jet start now.
for 600. He's on the move. Sure he is. Flattening. Of course, 777 hasn't done yet. Not just there. Where's my big jet of the day anyway? This tonight. I'm living our one. Checking out some emoji action as well for that A320. Alibar 15-8, Les Donaldson, Rab H, Gary Fleming, Bibi Bassman. Good afternoon. Bibi. Mark Pratt, Richard Riker, HGC, Michelle Johnson. Ash Watts, hello to you, my friend. Yeah, that's great timing. I do think you're one of these people that just have a habit of being in the right place at the right time when it comes to military stuff.